And welcome to today's video. We're going to create logo animations quickly. No experience is needed, no software to download, and stay till the end and I'll show you how you can start earning a side income creating these. First up, I will show you what I created earlier. And as you can see on the left is a simple PNG with a transparent background, and I have converted this to our animation on the right here, which I'll play back for you now. As you can see on the left here, we've just got the plain logo with a transparent background, and on the right here we've got the logo animation, and I'll play that back for you now just so you can see what it looks like. As you can see, that's pretty impressive, and it literally took me about 10 minutes to create. So what we'll do now is we'll create a fresh logo animation, and I'll show you the software that actually does it for us. Back in a moment. So here's the platform that I've been talking about called Videos. I'm logged into my account here, and what we'll do now is create a fresh logo so you can see start to finish. Right, we're on the logo section. I already have one in mind, and I think we will use this one, which is here. I'll just select that, upload, and your next choice down is the audio. I like to have the audio on. You can actually preview it. I'll play it now. I quite like that, but you do have the option to turn it off. And next step is we click preview, which I'll do now. And it's just loading up now. I'll be back in a moment. As you can see, our preview is here. And then all you simply do is click create. And now this will render in the cloud. So I'll be right back after it's finished rendering. Right, it's finished rendering. I've just downloaded it, and here is the preview. And perhaps just for more impact, I'll make it larger for you to see. I'll just rewind that back a bit. There you go. This literally took me about 5 minutes to create. As you can see, that was effortless. It was literally uploading an image, selecting a template, and let it do its thing. This is a fantastic piece of software, and if you look on the left, there are many choices, and today we just chose logos, but they also do live action. So you can literally upload your image and have it embedded on a t-shirt or onto a wall as a piece of graffiti, or something more futuristic, such as that. And there's your logo. If you're interested and want to take a look, I've left a link below the video which you can go and have a look at yourself in your own time. So you're probably asking, how am I going to make money with this method? Well, the obvious one is Fiverr. If we go up to Fiverr here, you can see I've done a search for logo animations, and there's only 11,800 results, which is tiny. It's a massive platform, so there isn't a great deal of competition. And as you can see here, these are all the gigs that have been offered, ranging from $7.83 up to $78.29, and this guy's done 57 of these. I've shown you how simple it is to do, and you could have a gig up and running tomorrow. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give us a like if you enjoyed it, and I'll be back again soon. Thank you.